Okay. Slap. That one little, he had to get the last hit. You see that as he's going down slap.
This arm doesn't hurt. This arm doesn't hurt.
Ow! It does now. Just easy with any swear words or anything. Yeah, we're a little violent with him, but he loves it. He provokes it most of the time.
Put him up. Let's go. Tap. Ah! Son of a cheater!
Where'd he go? There's the kitty. There's Josh.
Ah! I will kill you in your sleep.
I wonder who won this round. The one that's not screaming.
Bring it. Come on, bring it on. Bring it on.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. You got legs like a chicken. I'm gonna eat you. Alright, round 2.
Fear. Fear.
No, that's more like, I'm gonna freaking kill you.
Aha. Ow!
Get bed.
Aha!
Round 2. Let's say, who does that one go to? I'm gonna say Josh this time. He retreated and Josh isn't screaming, so. Here comes round 3.
You made me bleed again.
Hold on. Can't really see him that well. You can see some of it. Alright, where's round 3? He's waiting. Dude, he's gotten lazy now, I think. What do you say, Josh? Schmack. I'm curious how he's gonna act with that toy we got him.
Ow. Ow! Dick!
Whoop. I'll probably put this on e-gerbil. That's why I said no swearing.
Dick!
Zoom in on the kitty. The fat man. The fat man angers Leo. You think he's bad now. Fat man walks in the house and Leo, instant demon. He'll calm down after a minute. That face! He's looking at the camera like, what the? Get out of my face, Mom. Get it out, sweetie. Josh. He's watching you, Leo. He's watching you. He's freaking out! He's watching you. Ow! Why are you scared of the camera? You attack it. You attack. Look, cord. See? Cord. Hey. Hey. Nom. Leo. Psst. Oh.